Tired of cramped seats on long flights? Want more comfort but not the business class price? Let's talk about Delta Premium Select. Delta Premium Select is the premium economy cabin from Delta Airlines. It offers more comfort than economy without the high cost of business class. A perfect middle option for long-haul travel. You get wider seats, extra legroom, and deeper recline. Plus, adjustable footrests and leg rests so you can actually relax on long flights. It feels like a mini upgrade experience. Food is a big upgrade too. Enjoy better quality meals served on real plates, plus complimentary drinks. And the service is more attentive compared to economy. You also get premium perks like amenity kits, larger entertainment screens, noise-reducing headphones, and more personal space overall. This is ideal for long international flights. If you want comfort without paying business class prices, this is your sweet spot. To find the best deals, visit Siatra.com. And for bookings, changes, or help, call Delta Support at 833-844-1239. Travel smarter and fly better.